Last session I already explained you cloudy days and rainy days. So what is the weather during cloudy days and rainy days? Again, this lack of rain or too much of rain, why these both are not good for us. Even these causes of flood I already explained you. Okay. Now the next topic here, that is the season. First of all, what is meant by season? When one type of weather condition continues for many days, that is called as a season. But what we studied, weather is a temporary change, isn't it? Okay, but see this season for one particular weather continues for many days, that is called as season. Okay, now why season changes, that I already showed you how, because when earth rotates or revolves around the sun, okay, due to the revolution of earth around the sun, that causes season. Okay, so how, whatever the amount of sun rays facing towards that particular surface, particular earth's surface, that is having summer season, and if the rays are slanting rays, that is what, that is winter season. So northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, that alternate, they are having summer season and winter season. In between, some spring season is also already there and autumn season is already there. Okay, so why seasons changes? Now here a year divided into major three seasons: winter, summer and rainy season. But in our India there are 6 seasons in a year. Which are these? Now the first one is spring. स्प्रिंग सीझनला आपण काय म्हणू? वसंत ऋतू. काय म्हणतात त्याला? वसंत ऋतू. ओके, नाव द नेक्स्ट आफ्टर स्प्रिंग समर. समर सीझनला काय म्हणू? ग्रीष्म ऋतू. काय म्हणतात? ग्रीष्म ऋतू. नेक्स्ट आफ्टरवर्ड्स मान्सून. मान्सून इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज रेनी सीझन. व्हॉट इज रेनी सीझन? आणि याला मराठीत काय म्हणू आपण? आपण वर्षा ऋतू. काय म्हणतात? वर्षा ऋतू. ओके, नाव देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स ऑटम. ऑटम सीझन इज देअर. ऑटमला मराठीत काय म्हणू? शरद ऋतू. काय म्हणतात? शरद ऋतू. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स प्री विंटर. प्री विंटरला हेमंत म्हणतात. हेमंत ऋतू. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स हियर विंटर. विंटर मीन्स शिशिर ऋतू. काय? शिशिर ऋतू. ओके, सो these are for these 6 seasons are there in our India, and these Marathi names I already told you. Now the first I am going to explain you here this spring season. Now this spring season, it comes after the winter and before the summer season. Okay, now see here this this spring season is a pleasant and beautiful season. Okay, so why? Because whatever the plants, okay, whatever the leaves are there, it starts appearing. Even these plants shed their leaves. Okay, even you can see colorful flowers and also the colorful butterflies. So that means spring season is a season of what? Butterflies and what? Flowers. Okay, now during some spring season, whatever the days are there, days are longer and nights are shorter. Even here during the spring season, what you can see here, whatever the flowers, you can see different colorful flowers and these butterflies roaming around this flower. Even this here, which type of festivals come in this spring season, like Holi. Okay, then also Vasanta Panchami and also Gudi Padwa. Okay, so such type of festivals come in this spring season. Now you know this कोकिळा माहिती आहे तुम्हाला? कोकिळा कशी गाते, कुठल्या सीझन मध्ये गाते? की ही वसंत ऋतूमध्येच कोकिळा गात असते. ओके, वॉट एव्हर द कोयल, दॅट मीन्स द बर्ड चॉपिंग इन विच सीझन? स्प्रिंग सीझन ओनली. सो दिस स्प्रिंग सीझन इज अ व्हेरी प्लीझंट सीझन. ओके, नाव द नेक्स्ट इज द summer season. How you feel during summer season? Summer season we feel very hot, isn't it? Because summer is the hottest time of the year, and summer comes in the month of May and June. Okay, in the month of May and June. Now during the summer what happened? The sun shines brightly throughout the day, and what warm dry air blows during this day. Okay, Now during this summer, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. Okay. Now in some places, some areas, the temperature is very high, that is above 40 degrees Celsius, and that means that places what there is a shortage of water, and it can, if the supply of water is less, then what happen, there is a water level also decreases. So that means they face that is a water shortage or water problem too. Okay. Now that means here you must have seen in television that like Vidarbha, especially Vidarbha and Marathwada, the whatever the temperature is very high, and also this whatever the water level become decreases. So that means they carry water from too far away places. Okay. So that means such places what the water shortage problem is there. Now during summer season, okay, we sweat a lot. We sweat a lot. So to maintain the loss of water in our body, we should always drink maximum or the plenty of water, or like some type of juice or coconut water also. Okay. So to maintain the water level in our body. Even we sweat a lot during a summer season. So that means which type of clothes we should wear? That is a cotton clothes. Why? Because cotton absorbs sweat easily and we feel cool and comfortable. Okay. So during summer season, what kind of food or a drink you are taking? You are taking cold drink, then watermelon juice, even lemon juice and all. And do you like to eat ice cream? Yes. So ice cream and ice candies you are eating. Even which fruit you are there in during summer season? Mangoes, isn't it? So mango juice also you are drinking. So such type of fruits are coming during this season. Now why? Because why you are taking such type of drinks? Because we want to be cool. So outside temperature is hot. So that means we are drinking such type of cold drinks, isn't it? Now see here some places like Rajasthan, then Haryana, Punjab, Delhi. Okay, so these places are very hot places. Their summer is extreme hot, and that means in that such places what this strong, hot and dry air blows throughout the days. Okay. Now even some places like Gujarat, then Madhya Pradesh, even Tripura, okay, Mizoram. Such places, what happen? Such places, temperature rises above maximum Rajasthan. Okay, temperature rises above 48 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees. So that means Rajasthan is the hottest place in India because the temperature rises 48 to 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, now these places like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and all these places lies on the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, what is Tropic of Cancer? Is the imaginary line to the north of equator. I already showed you equator, that is the imaginary line that's surrounded by around the earth. Okay, that is the equator. And this on the equator, whatever the places are there on the equator, this continuous sunlight is there. Okay, that is daytime, isn't it? So that means these places are continuously hot places. The same way here, all these 8 states are there. This Tropic of Cancer, they lies on the Tropic of Cancer. That's why these always they are hot. That is the extreme summer is there, and the same way extreme cold is there, extreme winter is there, isn't it? Now even some places like especially Maharashtra, that is a Vidarbha, Nagpur and Chandrapur, these places lies in the geographical center of India, isn't it? So that means these places is also very hot during summer season. So whatever the still summer is there in India, but it is not the same throughout the India. It is different at different places. Now whatever the like plains, plateaus and a desert area like a Rajasthan, okay, it is a corner. That places is extreme hot places. The summer is very extreme. Now like coastal areas like Mumbai and Kerala, okay, that places the temperature is not too high, it is a less hot, okay. And some places like a hill station or Jammu and Kashmir, the whatever the weather is there or a temperature is there, that pleasant temperature, okay. So that means especially which season we are going for vacation? Summer. For where? Hill station. Why? Because whatever the hill station places are there, the summer is not too hot. So that means such places we are going for our spending our holidays during especially summer season. Okay. So in this way, the summer is not the same throughout the India. It varies from varies at different places. Now, here, this which type of festivals are comes in that summer season? अक्षय तृतीया. अक्षय तृतीया माहिती असेल तुम्हाला. ओके, ते 3.5 मुहूर्तापैकी एक आपण मुहूर्त मानला जातो. त्या दिवशी आपण गृहशांती करतो किंवा काही पूजा करायची असेल तर करतो. सो दिस अक्षय तृतीया comes in the month of this summer. So in this way, summer is there. Summer the days are very hot and longer. Okay, and the nights are shorter. So in this way summer season is there. So today what we studied what is the temperature or what is the weather during spring season, even what is the weather during summer season in different places. Now I'm giving you difficult words and homework. Just now I explained you there is spring season and summer season. So based on that I given here difficult words and fill in the blanks. Read the page and complete the filling the blanks in your notebook.